Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Rumail here. So today is the 23rd of October 2020 and yeah, I'm basically in Covent Garden after a long day at placement to collect my new iPhone 12. So yeah, join me on my journey getting my new phone. Hey guys, so I'm finally back home. Let's get straight into this. Really excited to open this after a long day. As you can see, the box is very small compared to the old iPhones. So basically this is because there's no power adapter in here, and so in the box it's just the phone and the cable and like obviously the manual. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Really excited for this, like the new shape and design. Obviously I went for the Pacific blue because it was like by far my favorite color. So yeah, oh look at that. Look at the nice shine of the Pacific blue. I'm really happy with my choice already on first impression, looking really good. Let's pull it out. Okay, so this time instead of like a plastic screen, there's like a paper screen. There it is guys. So yeah, okay, before we get into that, let's look at the box. So yeah, just the cable, as is the design by same stuff as last time. But yeah, let's get into the main hero of the show. So as you can see, the Pacific blue is a really nice color. It looks even better in person than it did on the pre-order screen. And yeah, so as you can see, the camera there, the new LiDAR scanner, and the square edges, as you can see, they're actually really flat. I think, can I stand like that? Yeah, look, the phone can stand like that now. It's quite cool. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get this, setting this up, and I'm gonna update you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe somewhere here, and make sure to keep following my content, and I'll keep you updated. Thank you for watching. Take care.